look at these dishes. Is this not fun for summertime? So these are thrifted items, and since I don't know where everything came from, we're just gonna tell you as soon as I show it to you. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I can't wait to use those. So we do know that these salt and pepper shakers did come from the Dollar Tree. They have some amazing items. I really like these. This is called the silicone spoon rest. Guys, this works so well. You can kind of line up your spoons as you're cooking. I absolutely love this. So I was really happy to get that. Now, I didn't get a chance to fill this up during Easter because of how busy I was. But this is going in my stash for next year. And this is the paintbrush I absolutely love to use. So I'm going to start throwing away my old ones and replacing them with the new ones. And these are very good brushes, guys. These are probably not a Dollar Tree item, and they're very good quality. So you have the little tiny one right here. They're different kind. So they have the little tiny one right here for more detailed stuff, and then the bigger one. I use the bigger one more. Then we have the lace ribbon that they have at the Dollar Tree. They have it wider now, and then I just grabbed the wider white one because you can't go wrong with those. Then I grabbed myself another jute twine because you can't go wrong with jute twine. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying these flower pot huggers, they're called, and this one is a bunny. I have a plan for it. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but I got these because they're absolutely beautiful. And look at this. So this is the wall art hook. I like this, so I got 2 of them. Yep, I got 2 of these for some DIYs. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use these yet, but they were beautiful, so I got them. You can't go wrong with these zip ties, so I got some of that. And then whenever I can, I grab some of these mesh catchers, for the strainers, mesh strainers, because I use this in the bathroom too. So yeah, okay. So I got 2 of these wine glasses. I might have shown this in a previous haul. I think I grabbed some more. Yep. Let's see. So here's the other one. But I did get 2 more in the previous haul. So now I have 4. I like the shape of those wine glasses. Not that I use them, but they're just very nice for my tablescapes. Now, the Dollar Tree a little while back, look at this, the pink glass, very well made glass. It's not cheap glass, and it has that hint of pink. Well, this came out with a pink set that the Dollar Tree came out with for spring, and I am loving it. I can't wait to use these. Okay, so we got 2 of those. Now, these are the dishes that, you know what, guys, let's just finish what's in this bag. So I absolutely love these. These are from the Dollar Tree, and these are great for tier trays. So I got one of these. And then look at the macaroons. Who can go wrong with these? Are so adorable, and I love the finish on them. I can tell you right now, these came from Dollar General. These did not come from Dollar Tree, came from Dollar General. And I grab a pack. Okay, so they had the heart ornaments, and look how many come in here. You get 12 pieces for $2.99 for their Valentine's Day stuff. And I use hearts for more than just Valentine's Day. So I grabbed a pack of those. Okay. Now, all right, so look at this. I can't even tell you how long this has been sitting there, obviously, since Valentine's Day, but isn't that absolutely adorable? And I don't think that you can just use that for Valentine's Day. I think this would make a beautiful salad plate for a tablescape for mom. And I'm sorry, guys, I have no room for the paper, so I love these. So these, I'm not sure, there were 3, Oh, these are Hobby Lobby. Guys, I got these on clearance from Hobby Lobby. So you see, these stores are just like from everywhere. Now, Dollar Tree carries these pillowcases. They're like in a burlap. This was the bunny, the pink bunny. So I grabbed one of these. So many things I didn't get to use, guys, because of my schedule, but I am done. I just got to present and we are finished and ready to graduate. So don't you just love these Dollar Tree dishes? These are so delicate and so beautiful for the spring and the summer. I use the towels to kind of cushion them. Okay, so I grab the dinner plate, and I did grab this towel that goes with it. So let's see how this is gonna go. Okay, so they also have the hydrangea set. Now, I have 2 plates here, so I think I have enough for a plate setting for 4, guys, because I didn't realize that I got 2 of the salad plates. So far the spring set has 2 of the salad, has 2 dinner plates, and then the hydrangeas, 2 dinner plates. Okay, and here is this. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I can't wait to use that. The towel matches the spring set. And then I got the hydrangea and the salad plate. So I think that they did not have that's what I have to look for, is the pink florals. They didn't have any of those. So I just have to find something else to use in place for the spring set of the spring set of dishes. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying the silicone rolling mat. I'm pretty sure it's not that big, so I grabbed 2. This is a great buy for $1.25. That's a great find. Now these are just the stickers that I work with, so I absolutely love these. This came out during Easter, and so I grabbed those to remind me of the Holy Spirit. And then we have, these are really cute. So these are both Easter stickers, and I like to decorate and DIY with these stickers. So so far, guys, this is what I got. So I'm getting ready to put all this stuff away. This is what I got that was in my my mudroom that I did not get to use not even during Easter. But we can rest assured that all of the tablescape items I'm going to use, and most of this stuff is DIY stuff, tier tray stuff, and then everything else that's Easter related is going to go inside of my stash for next Easter. So this was an amazing haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.